Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys asked me how to make money with Facebook in 2021 as a beginner with no money without using Facebook ads. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm not talking about Facebook fan pages and I'm not talking about spamming Facebook groups. I'm talking about a legit way of making money with Facebook. And because we are talking about Facebook, there are some really important informations that you don't want to miss. Otherwise, Facebook can ban you. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First thing you need to do, you need to choose a niche. After you choose niche, you have to create your Facebook profile. When you are creating Facebook profile, I suggest to use your own name. I just created this profile for this video and as you can see I didn't use my name, but like I said, I suggest to use your own name when you are creating this profile. After that, you need to add a profile image. I suggest to use clean profile image where people can clearly see your face, because in that way you are creating trust. After that, you need to add a cover photo. Cover photo must be simple and clean. I'm in affiliate marketing and as you can see, I made it really simple. Free affiliate marketing course. Click on link in my bio or click here. You can easily create cover image like this in just 5 minutes on Canva. Just come here on Canva, hover over templates and just click here on Facebook cover. And Canva will give you 1200 templates that you can use to make your Facebook cover, or you can simply create from blank. But like I said, you can use any of these templates. There is templates for workout, for cooking, for pets, for all kind of niches that you can use to make your cover photo for Facebook profile in under 5 minutes. And always add call to action, just like I did here. You can see, click on the link in my bio or click here. And when people click here, they will actually see my link. I just added link to one of my YouTube videos and people can click on this link and you can promote your YouTube channel, you can promote your ClickBank affiliate offer, you can promote your course, you can promote your landing page if you are trying to build mailing list, or you can add link to whatever you are promoting. And also, as you can see here, click on the link in my bio. When you scroll here, you will see link in my bio, in my intro in this case. And again, I just added link to one of my YouTube videos. To add link here, just click here on edit profile and then scroll here and click on customize your intro, edit, and then click add workplace. And just click here on contact and basic information. Give it a second to upload. And here you can see website and social link. So you can add here a link to your website, to your Instagram page, to your YouTube channel, or to whatever you want, whatever you are promoting. You can add link even to your ClickBank affiliate offer. And when you do this, whoever visits your profile will see your call to action and will possibly click on this link. And I suggest to add all of these details, add links to your other social media, add your hobbies, add your work experience, and so on, because in that way your profile will look more professional. And the reason why we are using profiles and not fan pages is because Facebook fan pages doesn't work like they used to. Today, you must have at least 100,000 fans in order to get at least some visits to your website, to your video, or whatever you are promoting. On the other hand, if you have just 500 friends, at least 300 of them will see your post in their feed, and at least 50 of them will click on that link. And if you have 5,000 friends, at least 500 of them will click on that link. So how do we add friends? You can't just go and send a whole bunch of friend requests, because in that way you will be marked as spammer and Facebook will ban you. But there is a better way. There is a way to make people send friend requests to you. And for that, we are going to use Facebook groups. So here in search bar, just type your main keyword. Because we are talking about making money, so here I will type just make money online and click search. And then click here on groups. And don't worry, we are not going to spam these groups with our affiliate links, our YouTube videos, or anything like that. We are actually going to provide value. And here you can see all the Make Money Online groups. And you should join to all of these groups. So just click on this first one, Make Money Online. So you need to provide value, you need to give them tips and advices, you need to give them a good information, and in that way you need to engage people with your content and with yourself. Something like this. I will click here on add photo or video, and let's just say this one here, and I will paste this here, and just click here on, click post. So provide value just like this. As you can see, I provided value. I actually explained what 90-20 rule is. And people will like this. People will comment on this. People will engage with this. And people will send me friend requests. Another thing you should do is go through this group and read the comments. And when someone have question, answer on that question by providing valuable information. In that way, you will engage with people and people will start sending you friend requests. And you should go and share valuable information in all of these related Facebook groups. And if you do this for 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, trust me, in the next 10 days, you will start getting 20-30 friend requests every day. So in next 30 days, you can easily get 500-600 friends. And you can also choose what friend requests you will accept and what friend requests you won't accept. So basically, you will be choosing your own friends. This is really important, so pay close attention. You cannot go and make posts in a whole bunch of Facebook groups at the same time, because you will be marked as spammer and Facebook will ban you. Best practice is to make posts in 3 or 4 groups and then make pause of 2 or 3 hours and then go and again make 3 or 4 posts in 3 or 4 groups. Facebook also have another great feature, which is especially good if you are in broad niche. I'm in Make Money Online niche, so I can actually create a list of people. So I can actually create a list for affiliate marketing. I can create a list for social media. I can create another list for Make Money Online, and so on and so on. And I can make posts specifically for that list, specifically, for example, for affiliate marketing. And to make those lists, go to your Facebook feed and then click here on Friend Lists. And you will come to this page. And here you can see lists that I already created. And to create a new list, just click here on Create List. And here you can give the name to your list. And here you can actually add members. To add members, just start typing. Let's say Z. As you can see, it's already giving me my name, my profile. After you add these people, just click here on Create and you created your list. So when you are making posts, when you click here, you can actually choose with who you wish to share your post. As you can see, when you click on Public, all of your friends will see this post. Or you can just make it visible only to you, with close friends, or with one of your lists. So if you made posts specifically for affiliate marketing in this case, you can only share it with people in that list and only they will see that post. People from Make Money Online, people from social media, they will not see that post. And this helps you to target your audience more precisely and to improve your conversion. And you can use your Facebook profile not just for promotion, you can use it to grow your Instagram page, to grow your Twitter page, to grow your YouTube channel, and so on and so on. And like I said, if you do this for 1 hour every day, in the next few months you will reach 5,000 friends. And at least 3,000 of them will see your posts in their feed. And at least 500 of them will click on your links because they sent a friend request to you, which means they trust you, which means they are more likely to buy the product that you are recommending. And when you reach 5,000 friends, and if you do everything right, you can easily make $500 every month. You may even make $1,000, maybe even $1,500 every month. So this is how you make money with Facebook in 2021 as a beginner with no money, with no experience. Guys, if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income, I will leave you a link in description. For those of you who don't know what perpetual income means, that means that you will make money month after month after month after month. And all you have to do is just set up the system and maintain the system, and you will have enough time for yourself, and more importantly, you will have more time for your family. So like I said, I will leave you a link in description if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.